out here in Erie County at Sheldon Marsh State Nature Preserve, and unfortunately I don't think we're going to get any farther than this. I'll show you why in a second. The flooding, man, this year has been terrible this spring. Anyway, we're not going to get all the way down to Lake Erie because, well, I'll show you here. This is a bonus video in the 100-day video challenge for you guys. Thank you, Rob. I know you wanted to see more parks, and appreciate your support of a monthly donation. That's pretty awesome. So here's the problem. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that is a carp, I believe, there. But pretty significantly flooded. I'm not messing with that again. Looks like there's another one over there. I'm not dealing with more flooding. I got my nice boots, my quote-unquote nice boots. I'm not messing them up. I've already destroyed boots so many times in the past few weeks. Oh, there's a Baltimore Oriole right there. Oh, come on now. This camera's being ridiculous. At 48 times zoom, I was at 96. Let's go back. Now 120 times. What an awesome bird. Oh boy. That was tough in this wind, and it's on the tripod, but I'm holding it. So that was a bit challenging. Anyway, yeah. So we're not going to get down to the lake, unfortunately. Kind of disappointing. I got to get back across this mess. Ah! Knew I should have brought my other boots. Anyway, this is a viewer requested location. Pretty cool down here, kind of a trek, about 90 minutes. Everything's a drive for me. but it's very nice out here, except I was dodging the rain for a while. Anyway, we'll come on back. Oh, there's two of them now. Well, thanks for coming along today on this bonus video of the Sheldon Marsh State Nature Preserve. Sad we couldn't get down to the lake. I wasn't dealing with more of that flooding. But anyway, it's a 465 acre preserve down here in Erie County near Huron. Really nice, a lot of rain rolled through, pretty humid out here, but a lot of cool birds and well, a lot of very friendly squirrels as well. This is actually the old about a mile Cedar Point Road that takes you all the way down to the lake. Anyway, thank you for watching. Again, a bonus video today, special viewer requested location. If you love this video, don't forget to donate if you'd like me to continue making them. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow.